ELLIS program offers a glimpse of what it really means to be a lawyer, and also because this is specifically to international students, it gives them a taste of the Australian legal context and what an Australian legal practitioner would do. My involvement in the project, it was to mentor the students, to provide them encouragement and context and really take them from the law student thinking to the lawyer thinking, and that is such a privilege to be part of someone's journey doing that. The tasks that the team were given were to look at Trajan's privacy and data compliance obligations globally, a complex legal problem that a qualified lawyer would take a fair bit of time to unpick and multiple meetings with the clients. So to see how diligently they applied advice and feedback and how determined they were, it was just really incredible, the hard work that they put in.
Our mentor, Maria, she's basically the biggest help that we have received. It's a really good experience, and she is very patient and encouragement.
I worked with the students in a couple of sessions that we had prior to the presentation to hear their ideas, be a sounding board for the way that they wanted to present things, review the draft presentation, and they all brought it together amazingly well.
Tom, as our mentors, really help us to keep on track and give guidance, suggestions.
The distance they came in the 3 weeks that they had is just astonishing for people who had no previous knowledge of the subject matter. They did a really good job beyond what you'd expect of a student. It was fabulous. I'm a big fan of mentoring generally in business. I think everyone needs a mentor, and I feel like the secret to mentoring is that the mentor gets as much out of it as the mentees do.
My role this year is a mentor of the AML ELLIS team. They are a very culturally mixed group, and they have different paths, and some are JD students and some are LLM students. I find that to be a very good mix because it provides different perspectives.
I'm a mentor for the ELLIS group, so I worked with students on a project on security of payment regimes across different jurisdictions. I worked with them on the deliverables, also helped them to prepare for the presentation.
What I like about Sheldon is he didn't just focus on the task at hand, he also gave us a lot of practical tips, and we really appreciate that.
I was also an international student while I was studying at Melbourne Law School. I know sometimes it can be quite difficult to participate and to have the local knowledge. The ELLIS program is an opportunity for the international students to participate on some practical projects. So I thought, yeah, it's time for me to give back.